And happy Friday, everybody. For next Friday, we have raised a first alert weather day because we are tracking a low pressure system that could bring some impacts of the wintry variety to our neck of the woods and to our region on Friday. So here's what we're watching for the week ahead. This is starting Wednesday. Look at some rainfall making its way in along with this low pressure system. We could see some rain snow mix on Wednesday as well, depending on the temperature profile of this system. Then as we go into Thursday, you can see looks like mainly snow at that point with a strong north wind. Again, temperatures definitely the key factor here as to whether or not that changeover to snow happens on Thursday or overnight into Friday. But regardless, on Friday, we do expect that to be the best chance of more widespread snow, in addition to some strong north wind there as well. Some of those deeper blues do indicate some heavier snowfall for us. So we could see some measurable snow when everything is said and done by Friday evening. And then for Saturday, we may have a chance of a glancing blow from another quick moving system into next weekend. But here's what we know so far is that this will be the beginning of a pattern change starting on Wednesday with that rainfall beginning and the chance of some snowfall there as well. And looks to start, of course, as rain and snow or a mix first off before changing over to snow. And some of that snowfall, though, wherever the system tracks, will be measurable, and do expect some wind for us on Friday as well. Some things we're still uncertain about at this point are the three T's: the track of the storm, the temperatures that will be within this storm, and the timing of when things actually do indeed happen. So, of course, the exact track a week out still uncertain, and the temperatures are critical for when that changeover to snow happens, if it happens at all. And of course, that also has a factor into how much snowfall we could potentially see depending on when the changeover to snowfall happens. And the moisture content of this system also still a question mark, as it could be a more dry system, then we'd see less moisture altogether, rain or snow, or it could have more moisture coming in from the south, and then we of course would see more rain and snow. So of course, stay tuned. First alert weather day is just to get you aware that that's a potential for us as we go in toward the latter part of next week. Here's how things look right now. This is our Devil's Lake home of economy sky cam. I'm watching some darker clouds that are moving through the Devil's Lake Basin, and most of those dark clouds will mainly stay in our northern neighborhoods as we continue through the rest of this Friday evening. 54 degrees right now in Fargo. Look at the dew point there, 42 degrees. So that southwest wind has really been bringing in some more humid air here as we've gone through the day today. And we are seeing enough of that moisture moving all the way up and toward the Canadian border to feed some of these rain showers. These are light rain showers at this point, and I expect them to stay as just light rain showers for this evening as well. But they're moving from west to east across our viewing area. So if you do have any of those Friday night football games there in the northern valley, you can see just some light rainfall making its way through. So again, rain jacket to poncho, umbrella, just to keep that handy if you are stepping out to watch some of those high school football teams out and about there across North Dakota and eventually into Minnesota as that little weather wiggle continues to move eastward. Still seeing 50s across North Dakota, 63 there in Gwinner, 60 in Sisseton. Where the clouds have been a bit more persistent today, we have seen those middle to upper 40s. 54 right now in Fargo, though, is a little bit cooler than we were expecting today because those clouds did keep our temperatures a bit more muted this afternoon. But here's the hour by hour. You can see those rain showers mainly in the northern valley continuing into Minnesota as we head toward 10 o'clock and mainly north of the I-94 corridor. But by tomorrow morning, for those Saturday plans, the deer opener in Minnesota, things look good. 30s and 40s for those temperatures. A light west wind, but the wind does pick up a little bit across Minnesota there. By the lunchtime hour, expecting 40s and 50s by lunch. A few passing clouds can't be ruled out for us in the afternoon on Saturday, but high temperatures you can see move into the 50s to lower 60s for those highs, and clouds will stick with us in Saturday night into Sunday as well. So of course it looks like temperatures won't be nearly as cold going into Sunday morning as well. So those clouds act kind of like a blanket for us as well. For Saturday, before you go to bed, turn those clocks back 1 hour. We're near 60 again on Sunday. We start to cool down on Monday and Tuesday. Upper 40s for highs. A few showers can't be ruled out for Monday as a little cool front makes its way through. But of course, Mike, we're watching very carefully Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week.
Keep us posted.
Will do.
Don't wait too long. Car